Hello friends, Namaste. This is very good morning from Betrify. It is almost 1 a.m. in the night. So, this is to share the analysis of the Hindustan Unilever results. Hindustan Unilever results were declared today, that is on 19th October. And this is 1 a.m., this is 20th. Let us see the analysis of the results. Only sharing the I'm sharing only the snapshot view of the results. So the Q2 results for the current financial year. The total income of the company is increased by 6.84% on quarter-on-quarter basis. And the same is increased by 11.23% on year-on-year basis. The net profit, the bottom line of the company, is increased by 4% on quarter-on-quarter basis. And the net profit is increased by 10.69% on year-on-year basis. Coming to the earnings per share, it is increased by 4% on quarter-on-quarter basis and around 10.5% on year-on-year basis. Now coming to the margins, the operating profit margin for the operating profit margin is increased by 3.38% on quarter-on-quarter basis, whereas the same is at flat and declined by minus 0.10%. The net profit margin is declined by 2.75% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is declined by 0.88% on year-on-year basis. Let us see how the stock has performed for the entire period. For this entire period, see the stock price is increased by 3.20% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 22% on year-on-year basis. So the stock price was somewhere around 2,319 on 31st March 2021, that is last year March, and the same has from 2,399 up from 2,400. It has come to 2,557 as of today. Now, Hindustan Unilever is part of the BSE FMCG index and also part of Sensex. So let us see how BSE FMCG index has performed during the year and how Sensex has performed. BSE FMCG index is increased by 9.27% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 33.45% on year-on-year basis. The Sensex is increased by 17.96% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the Sensex is increased by 59.49% on year-on-year basis. Now let us see how the earnings per share of the company vis-a-vis stock price and Sensex are. So the EPS is increased by 4.04% on quarter-on-quarter basis, whereas the stock price is increased by 3.20% on quarter-on-quarter basis. The EPS is increased by 10.48% on year-on-year basis, whereas the stock price is increased by 22.07% on year-on-year basis. And FMCG index is increased by 33% and the Sensex is increased by 15%. So this is how the Hindustan Unilever stock has performed for the second quarter of the current financial year. Now this is how the stock price reacted. I mean, the stock has reacted to the results today. It opened at 2654 and the previous close was 2654. It opened at 2669. It went as low as 2520 and went as high as 2732 and finally closed at 2557. Thereby declining by 96.70 rupees and giving a decrease of 3.64%. As I always say, some quote to help us, to motivate us to journey on the journey positively on the path of wealth creation. An investment in education always pays the highest returns. That is what Benjamin Franklin says. So with these results, I don't think Hindustan Unilever price will sustain these levels of the stock price. In my opinion, seeing these results, I could see further little correction in the price of the stock. So that is what I have to say as far as Hindustan Unilever results are concerned. Thank you so much for listening, and let us meet on some other results. Thank you so much.